So I'm going to show you the copy and paste commands in Linux, both in terminal and in other applications, because they are slightly different commands that you need to use in both situations. In terminal, if you want to copy, you select some text, then you hit Control plus Shift plus C at the same time on your keyboard, and that will copy the text into the clipboard. Now to paste that text into the terminal, you hit Control plus Shift plus V at the same time, and it'll paste the text that's in the clipboard into your terminal. Now for other applications like a word processing program or email, to copy the text, you select the text, then hit Control plus C at the same time on your keyboard. That will copy your selected text into the clipboard. To paste that text, you hit Control plus V on the keyboard, and that will paste the text that's in the clipboard right into your program. These are just a few simple keyboard shortcuts to make your life easier, can speed up your work, can help you if there's no paste or copy button on the screen. You can use your keyboard instead, so it makes it pretty simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.